find anything in here. Do you know where the basil is?
I think it's up in the top right. Hey, Justin with Opting Out of Normal. Today we wanted to share another tip on how we store our spices with you. I'm sure everybody struggles with it, and this is our answer to it. How many times have you gone in and looked for a spice in your cabinet and end up having to pull out half the cabinet because it's so cluttered in there? Now everyone knows that when you get into the cabinets and you start looking through all these little bottles, you end up having to pull out half the bottles just to get to the ingredients that you need. So what we found was that doing a little bit of research on Amazon, we were able to find these little plastic baskets. And like every good RVer knows, baskets are the answer for just about everything. So we wanted to share them with you, let you look at them, see if you might be able to fit it in your RV, see if it'll help you guys out. Simple little basket. It can hold up to 10 standard size spice bottles. These are all the McCormick spice bottles, but they're all about the same. So it'll hold 10 of them. It holds them fairly snug. They do have a little bit of room, but that's enough room that you can get in there, reach out, pull one out, and get what you need. The fact that they're clear allows you to see what's actually inside of them. These boxes measure 10 inches by 4 inches, and they are 3 inches tall. They do make the same size basket that is 6 inches tall. One of the problems that we ran into with them, though, is that they are a little bit taller than if with two of them we wouldn't be able to fit them in our cabinets, because our cabinets are 10 inches tall on the inside. Your standard McCormick bottle, it's about 4 3/8 inches tall. So we're going to put the link below, and if you want to go check them out, they shipped quick. So they're made by a company called M Design. They are made in the US. They are a pretty sturdy product. So far we seem to be pretty happy with them. They do lock together. If you have them stacked, they will lock together. So as you're running down the road in your RV, they will stay together. Definitely give them a try and check them out. They're, for us, they definitely add value. So until next time, live simply, give more, and expect less.